Welcome to A2 Production channel. Today I'll show you how to create a perfect clock animation using PowerPoint. It exactly works like a normal clock. The longer needle takes 60 seconds to make one complete rotation, while the shorter needle takes 1 hour to make one complete rotation. There is still more for you to watch, so if you are not subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button below the video and hit on the bell icon. Start by opening a blank presentation. Go to Insert, click on Smart Art. Scroll down and select on the gear Smart Art. Right-click, scroll down and click on Group, then Ungroup. Right-click again, click on Group and Ungroup. Cut the small gears and arrows to remain with the large gear. Make 3 more gears from the large gear, by copying and pasting it 3 times. Reduce the size of the 4 gears, and arrange them as shown here. Go to Insert, Shapes, and insert a circle. Go to Insert, and insert a second circle. Right-click on the inner circle, and click on Send to Back. Do the same to the outer circle, and click on Send to Back. Go to Insert, Shapes, and insert a line. Put the line at the center of the circle. Go to Insert, Shapes, and insert a small circle. Select on the circle, go to Format, select Shape Fill and choose on the green color. Select on Shape Effects, then Presets and choose that preset. Select on the shape, and insert a text box. Then type a number in the text box. Left-click and move the circle at the ends of the line. Right-click, and hold on the circle as you move it to the other end of the line. Then release the button and click on Copy here. Select on the line. Go to Format. Click on Rotation and scroll down to more rotation options. Change the angle of rotation from 0 to 30 degrees. This will make the line to rotate 30 degrees from its previous position. Right-click on any of the circles, move and copy them at the ends of the line. Click on the line, and change its rotation to 60 degrees. Select on one of the circles, move and copy them at the ends of the line. Continue with the same process of changing the angle of rotation, by adding a 30-degree rotation to the previous degree of rotation, and copying the circles at the ends of the line. Select, right-click on the line, and cut. Go to Insert, Shapes, and insert a triangular shape. Then draw the minute needle of the clock. Right-click, move and copy the triangle. Go to Format. Select on Rotate, and click on Flip vertically. Join the 2 triangles. Then press Ctrl-G as you select the upper triangle. Move the needle at the center of the circle. Select the downer triangle of the pointer. Go to Format. Shape Fill and select No Fill. Go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Now select on the upper triangle of the needle. Go to Shape Fill and select on a color. Select on the needle, then go to Animations. And select on the spin animation. I have 1 spin animation, so I'll add 11 more spin animations, by going to Add Animations, and selecting on the spin animation 11 times. In total I'll now have 12 spin animations. Now number the circles according to their order, from 1 to 12. Select on the needle, then, under the animation pane, click on More option icon of the spin animations, and set each of the spin animations to start after previous. Select again on the icon and go to Effect Options, and set each spin animation to spin 30 degrees. Because I've selected the 12 animations under the animation pane, this 30 degrees rotation will apply to the 12 spin animations. Go to Timing, and set the duration of each spin animation to be 5 minutes, which is equivalent to 300 seconds. This means that every 30 degrees spin animation will take 300 seconds. Go to Insert, Shapes, and insert a triangle. Right-click and hold on the triangle, move and copy it. Go to Rotation Options, and flip it vertically. Join it to the previous triangle, and press Ctrl G, as you select on the first triangle. Select on the downer triangle of the pointer. Go to Format. Click on Shape Fill, and select No Fill. Click on Shape Outline, and select No Outline. Select on the pointer, go to Shape Fill and select Red color. Move the pointer to the center of the circle. Select on the pointer, go to Animations and insert a spin animation. Under the animation pane, I have two types of animations, the Group 44 and Group 50 animations. Group 44 animations represents the 30 degrees spin animations of the smaller needle, and the Group 50 animation represents the 360 degrees spin animation of the larger needle. Hold the Group 50 animation, and move it at the top. Click on its option icon. Select Effect Options. Go to Timing and set the spin animation to happen in 60 seconds. Then set the spin animation to occur until end of slide. Select the second animation and set it to start with previous. Now select the gears as you hold the Shift button down. Go to Animations and add a spin animation. Move the FreeROM animations at the top of other animations. Hold the Shift button down as you select the FreeROM animations. Then set the animations to start with previous. Select on Options. Click on Effect Options. Go to Timing and set the animations to occur until end of slide. Select on the animation of the longer needle and set it to start with previous. Select on the inner circle. Go to Format. Click on Shape Fill and scroll down to Pictures. Click on Work Offline, and select on your desired picture. Insert a circle and place it at the center of the clock. Insert another circle and enlarge it. Right-click. Select on Format Shape, and increase the transparency of the circle. Select on the gears. Go to Format. Shape Fill and select a color. Align the transparent circle at the center of the clock. This will act as a glass cover of the clock and improve its graphics. Then go to Format. Shape Effects. Select on Presets and choose that preset. Also select the outer circle. Go to Shape Effects, click on Presets and choose on the same preset. Repeat selecting on the outer circle. Go to Shape Fill. Scroll down to Textures and select on a texture. Right-click on the white background. Click on Format Background. Select on Picture or Texture Fill. Click on Texture Options and choose a texture. The animation is now complete, so I'll have to run a slideshow. On a click, the animation plays. So, this is how the perfect clock animation is created using PowerPoint. The clock works exactly as a normal clock. The shorter needle takes 1 hour to make a 360-degree rotation, and the longer needle takes 60 seconds to make one complete rotation. You can apply it in your presentations and use it as a stopwatch. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to leave your comments below. Thanks for watching, like and follow by clicking on the subscribe button below the video.